Hey guys, I got this question a lot of people getting in problems with this not being connected and being rejected when you're trying to connect your account from Fourthwall. Well, you have to disconnect it. If it's been rejected, disconnect. Click on disconnect, and then once you do that, go into your YouTube channel, and in your YouTube channel, go right into earn. Once you go into earn, go into shopping. All right, so that's in studio.com.youtube.com. From there, go in here, and you're gonna connect Fourthwall. If it's already been trying to kind of connect it already, make sure to disconnect. So you would click on these three, cancel setup, and then just add it on again. But this time, add it on here. You're gonna see something that tells you to accept some terms and conditions. Then and only then, go back here. So you're gonna go back into Fourthwall and connect it. So it has to be that first. So you have to accept the terms and conditions right here on YouTube, and then go in here. Because if you try to connect from here first and then accept the terms and conditions in YouTube, it's just not gonna let you. And yes, it's not gonna connect right away. It's gonna say pending at first. So it's gonna say pending and then it's gonna say connect. So that's how you guys go around that problem right now. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write there here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.